Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about getters and setters. In Kotlin, you can use getters and setters to control access to the properties of a class. Getters are used to retrieve the value of a property, and setters are used to modify the value of a property. By using getters and setters, you can encapsulate the internal state of a class and apply custom logic when reading or writing a property. When you define a new variable in a class, there are hidden getters and setters inside this class, and it's equivalent to this writing. We have a hidden get equals to the field. This is the getter, and a set method picks a value, and this field equals to the value. This is the setter, and this is the getter. But you don't need to write these when you don't have any custom getters and setters you need to apply when getting and receiving or setting and modifying the value of a property. But in this video, I'll show you how to create custom getters for your values. I'll take the model year, and when using the getters and setters, you need to initialize it directly without using the init. And here I'll create a custom getter. Get method, and whenever I need to get the model year of robot, I need to display a message telling the user that getting the model year, please wait. Okay, this is our custom getter. Then I need to return the field. If we go to hello-kotlin.kt file, I need to get the firing robot model year. This is how we use the getters. I used it, println. So let me run. Here I'm getting the model year from the firing robot. You can see that there is a new message here, getting the model year, please wait. And then it will return for us the model year for this firing robot 2. This is a custom getter. Now let's move to create a custom setter. I'll start with set, and here I need to pass the value. And whenever we need to set a custom value for this model year, I need to create a println message telling the user changing the model year. Please wait. Then I can create conditions here. If the value, which is a string, equals to, for example, 2025, println, you can't create future robot. Else, if it is not equal to 2025, it will set the field equals to the past value. Let me go back to hello Kotlin, and here I'm using the custom setter firing robot 2 dot model year and make it 2025. And here we go. Changing the model year, please wait. You can't create future robots. But if I change the model year to 2020, run, and it's changing the model year. And if I try to call my custom getter, run, and I'm changing the model year, I'm getting the model year, and the new model year is set at 2020. Okay, this is how we use custom getters and custom setters in Kotlin.